are ready to weave a beautiful story through music, dance, and drama, celebrating the essence of learning and togetherness. So, let the story unfold on stage.
Every great story begins with a vision, and our vision has always been about children. It is a journey where children rise, relationships strengthen, dreams turn into places that one can truly call his own. Growing together is not measured in school buildings, but in the life that flourishes within them. Each person has a basic tendency to grow and develop. Every child is like a seed full of hidden potential, but the seed cannot grow into a strong tree without sunlight, water, and care. In the same way, a child cannot grow into a successful adult without the love of parents, the guidance of teachers, and their own determination. Let us see how this trio bond of parents, teachers, and students work together at different stages of life to create a successful future. The skit shows a child's school from a nervous first grader to a confident high schooler. The first step in school, 3 to 6 years old, the child is struggling to adjust to a new environment, moving from a very protective and pampered environment to a more formal one with rules and regulations. Parents and teachers help the child to come out of the crisis, and slowly the child becomes friendly with the new environment and starts enjoying.
देखो बेटा, such a beautiful school. You have to go there. No, Mama. It's okay, my brave little one. This is your school. It is a place for you to learn and play. आरोही, यहाँ बहुत सारे टॉयज है, न्यू फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे और टीचर आपको बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करवाएंगी। मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना, मैं आपके साथ घर जाना चाहती हूँ। Hello Arohi, my name is Mrs. Sharma. I have lots of new friends waiting to meet you. And look, they have so many blocks to build the tall tower. Please, Mrs. Sharma, she had never been away from me before. I don't know that she will be okay. She will be. This first step is the hardest for both of you. It's not just a step into a new room. It's step towards independence. She might cry, but it's good. Come and sit with your friends. Mama, nahi, Mama, nahi. Bye, beta. Mama will come soon. अभी मुझे घर नहीं जाना, मुझे और खेलना है। हाँ रोही, हम कल फिर से खेलेंगे। See, your mama is waiting. Okay, teacher. मम्मा, मुझे बहुत मजा आया। अब मैं रोज स्कूल जाऊंगी। ओके बेटा।
A flicker of curiosity replaces the tears in her eyes. The children sit down together. A silent understanding develops. They have already begun to rise, not alone, but together.
छोटे कदम, छोटा सफर, पर डर बहुत बड़ा। माँ का आंचल छूटे तो मन रोए खड़ा, पर शिक्षक की मुस्कान बने उजियारा तो नन्हा सा मन खिल उठे प्यारा प्यारा।
Addis to Africa.
Step out fast and be first, gonna make and throw this cash. We get mine, don't be mad, no stop. Ali's bad. One march after us, another round. It's full up, pick up, dance around. We just want shit, shake it out. Now you wanna be naked now.
The processes of human growth and development relate to changes in the psychological, social, emotional, physical, mental, and moral domains throughout life. At this stage, the child wants to develop self-confidence and competence. He or she develops "I can do" attitude.
Good morning, students. Today is the last day to choose your activity club. Hope you have selected Ruhan, मैं Lego club, Sadia, मैं Math club, Davnoor, मैं music club, Mishti, मैं dance club. Sona, I'm still not sure, ma'am. What happened? What is bothering you? Teacher, I want to choose drawing, but I'm confused whether I can do it or not. Have faith on you. You can surely do it. Please talk to your parents and confirm me tomorrow positively. Okay, ma'am. Let me ask to my parents.
कभी जोड़े कभी घटाए, कभी सवालों में उलझाए, जिंदगी भी तो ऐसे ही अपने हल खुद ही रचे। जहाँ माता पिता हो साथ और गुरु दे आसरा, वहीं से शुरू होता है आत्मविश्वास का उजियारा।
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे, पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके, अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है जब से दिखाए, तू है नदी में खबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है बड़ी। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान।
हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई ना जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होठ घुमाओ, सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे चाचू ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने, है सपने अंबरांदे, ए सपने अंबरांदे। बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे। ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तोड़, असली सजते आए जुनूनी बने अगर क्या ना भूल। एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी करा, एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी करा, एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, मुश्किल हमें रोकना। Mama, are we beta? Mama, today teacher has asked to choose any one activity club. Today was the last day to choose, but I'm still confused. I want to choose art club. Is it okay? Sonam, why have you made this choice? I like it. I enjoy it. This is very interesting. Show me your drawing book. Mama, you can see my work. Let me talk to your teacher, then we will decide. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, dear. Ma'am, Sonam wants to opt for art club, but I am doubting whether this will help her to grow in all the ways. Will this add to her academic development or not? Don't worry, ma'am. If the child will opt for her interest, she will surely develop her abilities and will be more confident. That will improve her overall personality. Look, the classroom is filled with her drawings. All right, ma'am. I guess this will be the best choice for her. Thank you, ma'am, for your advice. I hope that your guidance and direction will develop her talent and enhance her personality. You are welcome, ma'am.
Now, the child has become more confident in asserting his own interests and has developed abilities and skills with the help of teachers and parents.
Lose control. Lose control. One more. Lose control.
से धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजे जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो, हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेज नाचो, पल में घोड़े जैसे भाग टोर छोड़ नाचो, मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो 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 नाचो, नाचो 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 कुछ बात लगे ऐसा नाचो। ऐसे देखो धन्ना के रोटी नाचे, शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे, दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो, के जोरों पे तुम धड़ाक देसी नाचो, पसीना माथेगा जम के दम के ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो नाचो नाचो
Adolescence is a transition period from childhood to adulthood. Rapid physical changes are the main concept of this stage. Rate of maturation affects the personality and social development of adolescents. Children between 12 to 14 years are quite grown up mentally as well as physically. They want to develop their own identity in any way, but often don't know how to achieve it. If not guided, they may move in the wrong direction.
अरे आज तो मैम काउंसिल लिस्ट अनाउंस करने वाली हैं, मुझे तो बहुत नर्वसनेस हो रही है।
अरे मैं तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा हूँ, मेरा नाम जरूर होगा लिस्ट में, देखना मैं स्टूडेंट और क्लासमेट्स की आवाज बनूंगा।
चलो देखते हैं क्या होगा।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Take your seats. I would like to announce that very soon we will select new student council for this session. I am calling out the name of the nominated students. Please stand up. Atharv?
Yes.
Lakshay?
Yes.
Sufyan?
Yes.
And Himendra?
Yes.
All these students meet me after the recess.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. What happened, Pranav?
My name is not there in the list.
It's okay, Pranav. चलो टीचर से बात करते हैं।
The journey continues through the turbulent years of middle school. Here, the struggle is not just with the world around you, but the world within. This is the age of questions. Who am I? What am I meant to be?
What are you doing? What happened? My name is not there in the list.
List? Which list?
The student council list.
जरूर तुम्ही ने कुछ किया होगा, तभी लिस्ट में नाम नहीं है।
नहीं मम्मा, मैं बदल चुका हूँ, मैं पहले जैसी शैतानियाँ नहीं करता।
टीचर ने लिस्ट फाइनल कर दी है, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता। ये सब तुम्हारे बिहेवियर की वजह से हुआ है।
नहीं मम्मा, प्लीज प्लीज एक बार मैम से बात करो ना। I want to prove myself. My all friends are selected. I want to get my own identity. मुझे भी कुछ करना है।
ओके, अभी जाके चेंज करो। I have to do something. I have to convince the teacher. Otherwise, Pranav will lose his confidence. वो disappoint हो जाएगा।
The weight of expectation can feel like a cage. Yet, true identity is not found in the path others choose for us, but in the courage to explore our own path.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, I have something to discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have heard that you have announced the name for the student council, but Pranav didn't get a chance.
I understand your concern, but the list has already been finalized.
But ma'am, haven't you noticed some changes in his behavior?
That's true. I have noticed some changes in his behavior, but please, ma'am, try to give him an opportunity. He can do it. All right, I will try to give Pranav an opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Ma'am, may I talk with you for a moment?
Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, my name was not announced for the student council. I want to be a part of it. Please give me an opportunity to prove myself.
I understand your interest, but the list has already been finalized.
I respect that, ma'am. But if you give me a chance, I will put my all efforts to prove myself.
Are you ready to take this responsibility?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me discuss it with the coordinator and see what we can do.
Thank you, ma'am. I assure you, you won't regret it.
That's good. Pranav, good news for you. Your name has been finalized as the volunteer of Parakram House.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I will surely make you proud.
All the best.
Pranav's commitment, his sincere efforts, and the guidance of his teacher helped him discover his own identity. Now he is more confident and developed person.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट ठोंस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो
जंजीरें बनाउनगी शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह
असली पहलवान की पहचान अखाड़े में नहीं जिंदगी में होए ताकि जब जिंदगी तुम्हें पटके तो तुम फिर खड़े हो और ऐसा दांव मारो कि जिंदगी चित हो जाए।
Ongoing process of realizing one's potential and achieving self-fulfillment. With proper effort and attitude, we can convert setbacks into opportunities. Here, at the age of 15 to 16 years, the child wants to develop acceptance and relationships with others, especially with his or her classmates, and wants to take the responsibility within the group.
भाई आज मेरा बर्थडे पार्टी कहाँ दे रहा है? पहले तो घर पे केक कटिंग होगी और मम्मी ने बहुत सारी तैयारी भी कर रखी हैं। घर का तो छोड़ के बाहर चलते हैं। तुम बताओ कहाँ चलना है?
सब तो डिसाइड कर लेंगे, पर इसको भी लेके चलना है क्यों?
नहीं, चलो कैंटीन चलते हैं।
Mom!
Yes?
I'm feeling very sad and alone.
Why? What happened?
I don't have any friends and my classmates don't involve me in any type of conversation.
Okay, don't be sad, beta. Let me figure out a solution for this issue.
Okay, Mama.
What happened? Why is he so upset?
अंशुल बहुत अकेला फील कर रहा है। वो अपने क्लास ग्रुप के साथ इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा। वो लेफ्ट आउट फील कर रहा है।
Tell him to have a talk with his classmates.
सैटरडे को पीटीएम है, हमें उसकी टीचर से भी बात करनी चाहिए।
Yes, sure. That's a good idea.
ठीक है।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, here's the report card. What happened, ma'am?
Mom, Anshul has brought some issue. I want to discuss about it with you.
Yes, sure. What happened?
Mom, Anshul is feeling left out. He feels alone.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, his classmates don't involve him with them.
Oh, don't worry, sir. We will help him in this matter.
Ma'am, kindly encourage him to participate in class group activities.
Next week, we are having inter-house folk dance competition. I have seen him dancing well sometimes during free periods.
Yes, he likes to dance. At home also, he dances while watching the Super Dancer show.
That's great.
Thank you, ma'am, for your consideration.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit down. ये मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ क्लास? तुम लोगों ने सभी को इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया अपने साथ ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज में?
नहीं मैम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
I don't know. Next week we are having inter-house folk dance competition. I want everybody to be a part of this activity.
Come with us, Anshul. You are a really good dancer.
Anshul, your presence is required in our class group to make our house win.
Yes, please join us.
See, Anshul, everyone is encouraging you. Please come and join the group dance.
Surely, I will. And thank you, ma'am, for encouraging me and giving me this opportunity to show my talent.
All the best for the competition, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
The child got acceptance from his classmates and became the active member of the group. Now, he is very happy and more confident person. In this way, with the help of the teacher's guidance and mother's cordial support, the child develops his own identity and becomes a more confident and social person. Just go to the mirror and look at yourself. See what the reflection has to say, for it isn't your father, mother, or friend whose judgment you must pass. The person whose verdict counts the most in your life is the one staring from glass.
Board exams, JEE preparation, everyone is talking about IIT and medical colleges. Mummy and Papa, I just want to make them proud, but there is so much pressure. And then there is Instagram. Everyone is posting about their perfect lives. I just want to do something I love, but how?
अरे क्या हमेशा पढ़ाई के बारे में सोचता रहता है? चिल कर, चल कैंटीन चलते हैं.
Yeah, why stress about exams? Let's just enjoy our life.
I want to be a game developer, but everyone says it's not practical. How do I balance my dream with all of this noise?
In today's India, we face endless pressure of exams, family expectations, and the pull of social media. The world moves fast, but with support, we find our way to rise. Priyansh's parents are concerned and want to know what he is facing through.
Priyansh beta, study hard, get into a good college. We believe in you.
Beta, but don't just study for us. Find what that makes your heart sing. We'll support you always.
But Mama and Papa, I love coding games, not just physics and chemistry. Will that make you proud?
Your passion matters, beta. But think over it. Your passion should match your future career, and we will rise together. Be practical. You have to take good job with good money to settle down happily in life and fulfill your as well as your family's, society's expectations also.
Parents are our roots. They sacrifice, guide, and give us strength to dream even when the path feels uncertain.
Sir, everyone says coding games isn't a real career. Should I give up?
Never give up on your passion. India's tech industry is booming. Coders are building the future of the country. I'll help with the study plans. Here, have this book.
Thank you, sir.
Priyansh found his spark with his parents' understanding, his teachers' guidance, and his own determination. He is ready to rise.
I can do this. Mama and Papa believe in me. The counselor sir has shown me the way. I will do it.
कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
Altogether, teachers' suggestions, parents' encouragement, and students' committed efforts help our children to realize their goals. They can excel everywhere. They gradually rise high with this trio bond of teachers, parents, students.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है। कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है। कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। भले हालात हो कैसे भी, बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है जिद, यही है रार, बस अब जीतना है। लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को घोल के
राह पे चल बंदिया रुक जा रे बंदिया ये रात जरा सी है बात समझ बंदिया कुछ देर ही बाकी है रख यकीन आँखों से बादल आज हट जाएगा चांद तेरी आँखों में बंदिया चल के आएगा तूने बहुत रख लिया है सवर हाँ अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं सीधे पे चला ले आ ना आँख बंद कर दी बंदिया अब उठ जरा तू जा करना तो बंदिया रुकना तो बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया करना तो बंदिया रुकना तो बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया
वृक्ष हो भले खड़े हो घने हो बड़े एक पत्र छाह भी मांग मत मांग मत मांग मत तू ना थकेगा कभी तू ना रुकेगा कभी तू ना थकेगा कभी तू ना रुकेगा कभी तू ना झुकेगा कभी कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ
I can't believe my school life is almost over. It feels like just yesterday I was that girl afraid of the first day.
And look at you now. You have discovered your passion for science and the debate club and have made so many wonderful memories.
It was a journey of learning, growing and finding my own voice. I learned that challenges make you strong, teacher make you brave. School taught me to be myself.
With every step you have taken, you inspire and empower others to do the same. Your story resonates with others and you have become beacons of hope and encouragement for future generation.
My journey has been filled with ups and downs, but I learned that I am capable of doing everything. Together we can break barriers, create a world of power where everyone can thrive. My story is just the beginning.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू देंगे वही सलामियाँ दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ करके
We can feel the vibrant energy radiating from our audience. Together we rise. The celebration of incredible spirit of parent, teachers, and student collaboration. A collective triumph. We have perfect example of our inspiring alumnus who has done incredible work not only in their respective fields but elsewhere. The list goes long with doctors, engineers, defense officers, media, musicians, actor, and whatnot. They are serving sincerely, not only in their various fields, but everywhere in the country. We also have our own alumni who are running our management well, the school management well, and they are doing the incredible work. So now, Together We Rise has become Together We Shine. A heartfelt thanks to our esteemed chief guest. Your presence and message resonated perfectly with our theme, reminding us that with dedication and teamwork, we can achieve great things. To the school management, from planning to execution, you have ensured that everything runs smoothly, and for that we are incredibly grateful. To our dedicated school faculty, your constant support and guidance and hard work behind the scene made the event possible. To our talented participants whose performance was filmed and captured beautifully, leaving us all inspired. A special thanks to our audience for your own enthusiastic participation. Your presence and encouragement added immense joy and energy to the event, making it even more memorable. Last but not the least, I would like to extend our thanks to our volunteers, technical staff, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Your dedication often goes unnoticed, but it is deeply appreciated. The success of today's function truly proves that when we work together and lift each other up, together we rise. May the memories we have created tonight continue to inspire us all on our journey towards collective greatness. We look forward for next year's theme, New Voices, New Stories, and New Beginnings. May the wisdom of Diwali inspire us all to continue to lift each other. Together, there is no limit to how high we can fly.